Welcome to International Securities Exchange's podcast series. Facilitated by renowned educators, ISE podcasts are intended to teach beginning as well as seasoned investors the ins and outs of trading. To find an updated list of podcasts, please visit www.isc.com/podcasts. Please be sure to listen to our important message following this episode regarding the risks of investing in exchange-traded options. Hope
that gives you a good view of, we're not just talking about theory here, but saying, what the current market suggests. It's still more trading range-ish. Want to educate you about, when the opportunities are right and also when it's time to back off and wait for when things set up again. But, keep an eye on those indicators. I think you'll find it very useful. And if you'd like to train yourself more on the way that we use %R, we call it the Big Trends way, using %R as well as acceleration bands and other tools, just give us a call at our 800 Big Trends number, or if you get that free 2-week trial that I told you about through that special link, the bturl.com/slides, that'll also get you onto our free education list where you can get all kinds of different educational updates at no obligation through our Big Trends education series. So pleasure being here. Steve, I'm going to hand it back over to you, see if there's any other final questions.
Bryce, I want to say thank you. As always, you've given us tremendous insight into not only your methodology, but it was nice for you to show us, what's going on in the 6 pairs today. So that was really neat. Just want to remind everyone that, again, Price has given everyone a 2-week free trial. I'd urge we had a big crowd here today. I'd urge you to go to his website, sign up, because, again, you're going to learn more about what he's doing. And I think that's very, very valuable. So go and sign up for that 2-week free trial. He also has the DVDs if you're interested in learning about Williams %R. And Price travels around the country. In fact, I've been at presentations with Price. So, check out his website. I think that he actually puts on there, don't you, Price, the places that you're going to be?
Absolutely, yeah. I think, like you said, Charlotte, I think, is going to be our next target probably at the end of April, in addition to doing something probably just for an expo out in San Diego here in a couple weeks. But it'll be up there on the site, so you can check that out at the Big Trends upcoming events page.
So that's great. I'd urge everyone to, of course, continue to come back to the ISC. Next we'll get Tony Hansen. So every special guest brings a bit of different knowledge. I think Price has been in the markets for a long, long time, almost as long as I've been in the markets. But I always learn something every time that Price jumps aboard and he's a special guest. So, again, Price, I want to say thank you on the behalf of the International Securities Exchange. Again, you just do a great job, and I appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to spend some time with us. Thanks again.
Hey, Steve, always a pleasure. Thanks for setting these up, and I want to thank everybody for coming tonight as well. I appreciate your dedication, everyone, to your ongoing education. Really, it's all about education in terms of taking your trading to the next level. It all starts with education, and it never stops. You want to keep educating yourself along the way. So I think you can see you've got a lot of great educational resources there through the ISE site as well as through the Big Trend site. So again, thank you, Steve, and thank everyone, and have a great evening.
You too, Price. And again, please come back for further webinars. And for those of you, I'm still getting questions about, what does this mean? What is the dollar? Do I buy a call if I'm bullish on the dollar? Price went through it a couple times. Remember, this is a dollar-based index, if you will. So if you think the dollar is going up, you'd be buying calls. If you think the dollar is going down, you'd be buying puts. We made it that simple. Price went through it a couple times. He went through his methodology, and I'd urge everyone, please go to his site, sign up for that 2-week free trial, and everything else that he may have. I just want to say thanks again, Price, and I look forward to seeing you soon.
Thanks, Steve. Good night.
Good night now. Good night to everyone, and happy trading tomorrow. And please come back next week and join the International Securities Exchange and Steve Meisinger, where we have Tony Hansen coming back. And Tony, of course, is very, very popular, so please come back and listen to her. And happy Chinese New Year to those of you that are Chinese. Happy New Year, and look forward to seeing you come back next week. Good night, everyone.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. To find more podcasts on options, stocks, alternative markets, and market data, please visit www.isc.com/podcasts.